Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add tags to a document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the browse icon down below, which is the second option, and then tap on my iPhone. Here you should tap on a document, hold your finger on it and click on tags. Here, as you can see, there are these preset tags. But if you want to add a new one, just simply click on add new tag button, type in the name of your tag and then select the color which will indicate your tag, and then tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby adding your new tag that you can see at the top of this section. Tap on the button done, and as you can see, you have indicated or added the new tag to your document. So if you go back to your home page, scroll down, you will be able to see that there is a tags section here. So it enables you to find your documents more easily, keep track of them, and being able to find them quite easily by tapping on the relevant tag. And here you can see the items that that particular tag contains. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.